Are you ready to stop feeling nervous when you order coffee in English? You know that moment, standing in line at Starbucks, trying to remember the right words, and then accidentally making a simple mistake. It happens to everyone, but it can feel a little bit embarrassing. Today, we're going to fix all of that by following our friend, Leo, on a trip to the coffee shop. We'll listen in on his conversation with the barista, correct his common mistakes, and learn how to speak with confidence. Along the way, you'll have a chance to practice shadowing. That's where you repeat the correct phrases right after we say them. Get ready to learn the phrases you need to sound polite, natural, and totally ready to order your favorite drink.
Hi there, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
I want a coffee with milk, please.
When Leo says, "I want a coffee with milk," it gets the point across. But a more polite way to say it is, "Could I get a coffee with milk, please?" Or, "I'd like a coffee with milk." "I'd like" is the contraction form of "I would like." It's a small change, but it makes a big difference. Now, listen to this part again and repeat after them.
Hi there, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you today? Hi there, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
I'd like a coffee with milk, please. I'd like a coffee with milk, please.
Sure. What size would you like? Tall, grande, or venti?
At Starbucks, they don't use small, medium, and large. Instead, they use their own names for sizes. Tall is small, grande is medium, and venti is large.
I want the big one. Grande.
Leo says, "I want the big one." Grande. This is a bit confusing because grande is actually the medium size at Starbucks. The largest size is called a venti. A simple and polite way to order is just to say the name of the size you want. So instead of saying, "I want the big one," grande, you can simply say, "A venti, please," if you want the large one. Or, if you meant to get the medium, you would just say, "A grande, please."
Sure. What size would you like? Tall, grande, or venti? Sure. What size would you like? Tall, grande, or venti?
A venti, please. A venti, please.
Got it. Would you like it hot or iced?
I like hot now. Weather is cold.
"I like hot now, weather is cold," is understandable, but let's look at how to make it sound more natural. First, we need to add it after like. The it refers back to the drink you're ordering without having to repeat the coffee or the latte. It creates a smoother, more connected sentence. Saying, "I'd like hot" sounds like you're talking about a general preference, not the specific drink in front of you. Second, let's look at weather is cold. This is a common mistake for non-native speakers. In English, we need a subject and a verb to form a complete sentence. We should say the weather is cold. We use the here because we're talking about the specific weather outside right now. And is the verb that connects the subject, the weather, to the description, cold. So, to combine it all, you get the more natural flow of, "I'd like it hot, please. The weather is cold today." It's more polite and grammatically complete.
Got it. Would you like it hot or iced? Got it. Would you like it hot or iced?
I'd like it hot, please. The weather is cold today. I'd like it hot, please. The weather is cold today.
Okay, a hot venti latte. Anything else?
Yes, give me one muffin chocolate.
In English, we usually put the adjective before the noun it describes. In this case, chocolate is the adjective that tells us what kind of muffin you want. So, the correct order is chocolate muffin, not muffin chocolate. Think of it like this: a red car, not a car red, or a big house, not a house big. It's the same rule. Also, saying give me can sound a little bit direct or demanding. To be more polite and sound like a native speaker, you can use phrases like, can I get or I'd like. Can I get a chocolate muffin? Is a polite way of asking if something is available for you to buy. I'd like a chocolate muffin is a more formal but still very friendly way of expressing your wish. So, combining our grammar rule with a polite phrase, you get a perfect sentence like, can I also get a chocolate muffin? Or, I'd like one chocolate muffin. And that's how you sound confident and natural when ordering your food.
Okay, a hot venti latte. Anything else? Okay, a hot venti latte. Anything else?
Yes, can I also get a chocolate muffin, please? Yes, can I also get a chocolate muffin, please?
One chocolate muffin. Perfect. Will that be for here or to go?
I drink here.
When the barista asks, for here or to go, they're asking if you'll be drinking your coffee at the cafe or taking it with you. A natural way to answer would be, for here, please.
One chocolate muffin. Perfect. Will that be for here or to go? One chocolate muffin. Perfect. Will that be for here or to go?
For here, please. For here, please.
Great. Your total comes to $6.85.
I don't have coins, only card.
Finally, when Leo is ready to pay and doesn't have cash, he says, I don't have coins, only card. A more common and polite way to express this is, I'll pay with my card. Or, do you accept card payments?
Great. Your total comes to $6.85. Great. Your total comes to $6.85.
Do you accept card payments? Do you accept card payments?
That's fine. You can tap your card here. Your order will be ready soon. That's fine. You can tap your card here. Your order will be ready soon.
And there you have it. Some small changes would make a big difference in how you sound in English. You've done a great job today. Remember, the key to sounding more natural is repetition. Feel free to rewatch this video and repeat the lines as many times as you need to. The more you practice, the more confident your English will sound. If you found this lesson helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos. We'd love to hear from you, so let us know in the comments below. What other everyday conversations would you like us to break down next? Thanks so much for joining us today. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.